You see me now? I think
Yeah,
I
I
have
can see.
seen I think I have seen you somewhere. I don't know where exactly, but
No, sir.
glimpses are coming.
No, this is my first call on video call.
R-
I have never spoken with anyone on video call.
really?
Yes. Actually, it's second time. Yesterday, I have spoken with Manju ma'am. Do you know
Okay,
Manju ma'am?
that's wrong. You are telling me yesterday and now you are adding present perfect. So this is grammatically wrong.
No.
I should not I should not say,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm extremely sorry. Use
No, no.
simple past.
Yes. Whenever I make mistake, please correct me on time.
Really? Do you allow me to? Do you
Yes.
allow me
Yeah.
to?
Yeah. Yes. That's why I'm here because I want to improve myself.
That's great. That's what I want. That's what I want my student tell me that yeah, please rectify my mistake. I love rectifying mistake. Madam Ashwini, you are stuck. Can you hear me, madam?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, I would like to know about you little bit if you can, if you are comfortable.
Yes, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Ashwini. I'm from Maharashtra. Uh, I have completed my diploma in computer. And if I talk about my family, there are five members in my family, including me. I have two daughters, my husband, and my mother-in-law. And right now, I'm a teacher. Recently, I joined one school as a teacher,
Teacher of, teacher of.
teacher of English itself.
When did you join? When did you join?
Uh, I have been working there for 5 months.
Okay, when did you join?
In June month, I
You
think June.
joined, I think
Yes.
June. Okay, you have
Mhm.
done diploma in computer. Okay, and
Yes.
you are working as an English teacher. So what is the connection in between?
Find any interest in that course, so I stopped. I gave up, and I have done online classes, that was spoken classes. Now my English is a bit good, so I thought I should not be idle. I should not be idle. I should not sit idle at home for
Okay,
for whole my life. So that's why I thought that I should do something. So I have given one interview. Um, become to I wanted to become a teacher. So they have selected to me. So now I'm doing job there.
okay.
I'm little bit nervous actually.
You consider me brother. You consider me
Okay.
brother. You are my sister. We are brother and sister. Why you hesitating? Consider me brother. Well, come on. We are
Yes,
here.
I have spoken.
Go ahead.
I
I
have
have
spoken many
spoken.
more time on audio call on SJNC, but I have never been to a video call, so that's why I'm a little bit hesitated.
No, no need to worry about that. I am a very gentleman, a down to earth person. I enjoy. Don't worry, relax. I'm here to help you specially. Okay,
Yes.
you as I am observing you that you are making mistake, especially when you delivering something, and you are not what should I say that uh, uh, you don't know exactly the difference between simple past and the
And
present
perfect
perfect.
present. Yes,
Ah,
they make mistake, and I know that because I confused when I use simple past and present perfect. At that time, I have some doubt. So
okay,
I'm not. I don't have clear all the doubts
okay.
in
So
simple past and present perfect.
okay, I request you to ask the questions, whatever
Mhm,
you have doubt regarding this particular subject,
mhm.
this particular topic. Come on, ask, I'll give you. Ask some questions regarding.
Okay, so when we complete our task, so we would use present perfect in present. Recently, when we complete our task, at that time we use present perfect, and
Hmm.
when we complete our task yesterday, or so that time we use, I think, simple past. Am I right or wrong?
Okay, give me some example then.
Hmm. Uh, I ate food yesterday. I have
Okay,
eaten food right now. No.
Okay, don't say right now even. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
But I'll tell you. I'll tell you crystal clear that when action happened, we
Mhm.
don't mention the time. When action, when you are mentioning only action, okay, you're not mentioning time. That time you use present perfect. For example, I'll tell you. Look at that. I'm telling you. Yesterday, I spoke with Madam Manju. Let's
Mhm.
suppose, but I'm not mentioning the time. Just I'm telling. Oh, I have spoken with Madam Manju. Look at that. I am not mentioning the time. But when I ask you, when did you speak? Well, I
Mhm.
spoke yesterday.
Yes. Yeah.
I have made. I have made my dinner. I have eaten my dinner. I have
Mhm.
completed my master degree. When did you complete your master degree? I
Mhm.
completed my master degree in 2021.
Mhm.
Have
Yes.
you ever been to Gujarat? Have you been to Gujarat?
Actually, no, I have never been to Gujarat. Actually,
Then
I have
where have
never.
you been?
I am from Maharashtra, and I have visited only one state, that is Andhra Pradesh, to visit temple, Tirupati temple. I think.
Where are you calling from? Where are you calling
I'm
from?
from Maharashtra. I'm from Maharashtra.
Oh, come on. Maharashtra is a very big. If I'll tell you I'm calling from Gujarat, would you rectify where exactly I'm calling from? There must
Uh,
be a city name, madam.
yes. I'm from Maharashtra, and my district is Nanded.
Nanded. Where Nanded situated?
Do you know Aurangabad? It is in Marathwada.
Absolutely. I have been to Aurangabad several
Okay.
times. Yeah. So you
Yes,
are calling from Nanded.
Marathwada. Yes.
Okay. What brings you here, madam? What brings you here?
Mhm. I have
What made you?
watched
Mm,
many more of your videos. So
mm,
nowadays I have time. So I thought that I should utilize my time in
mm, mm,
productive way. And so
mm,
and I find you very honest, and you always correct whenever whenever anyone speak with you. So
mm,
I thought that I should go with you once.
mm, mm,
So that's why I'm here, because you correct us whenever we
mm,
make mistake. So
mm,
the my main motto is here to overcome my hesitation on
mm,
one-on-one conversation.
mm,
So
mm,
that's
mm.
why I came here.
Okay. What's your job responsibility in your school? What exactly you want to do? What do you teach your student?
Hello.
Yes.
Mhm.
What do you
Could you
teach
please
your
repeat,
student?
sir?
My question is, what's your job responsibility? Job responsibility, in a sense, what's your duty? Do you like what do you teach? You teach what should I say, grammar, or what should I say
Mhm.
that textbook related terms, or what
Mhm.
exactly you do? I don't know. Please, would you mind telling me?
Yeah, no problem. I teach textbook only, and I teach third to sixth grade students, and only on fifth grade students I teach their grammar. Otherwise, third, fourth, and sixth, seventh, I teach textbook.
So, do you prepare? Do you have to prepare before giving any lecture? Do you have to prepare, or you go off-handed? Do you prepare?
Sometimes when we yes, most of the time I prepare before teach them,
Hmm.
but most of the time I prepare myself before teaching them.
And how do you interact with them, Marathi or in English?
Uh, Most of the time we speak in Hindi only, because this is very small town. So no one. So in our school also we speak in Hindi, but sometimes I try to speak with them in English also.
Okay, I really don't understand. Suddenly you change your path from a computer, that you had an interest in a computer, and now you are working as a English teacher. So it is your
Mhm.
passion, or you have some compulsion regarding family compulsion, a
Yes.
financial problem? What exactly is this?
Yes, yes. I never had interest in diploma in computer, but I had to do because my parents was not ready to send me far from my city, my village.
Mm,
Actually, I
mm,
belongs to
mm,
very small village.
mm,
So and Polytechnic college was near to my village, so he told me to do a polytechnic. And I always wanted to become teacher, and D.Ed college was not
Mm,
very near to our village, so that's
mm,
why I had to do. But I had never interest in that, so I stopped my studying.
mm. I see. And what basis you got this job? This is just a common question I want to know. That
Mhm.
did they take your interview or without interview they give you job?
No, I have given my demo. Um,
Yeah, I have given my demo. That's not gonna work. I gave the demo. I gave the
okay.
demo. This is not
Mhm.
happened. This is you're talking about happen in the past. I am
Mhm.
asking this question.
Yes.
You know, deliberately I'm asking this question. Please don't mind. I have no
No, no,
intention to hurt you anymore. This is just
no,
to to exaggerate the conversation. I'm asking this silly type of question. Please don't mind it.
no, sir.
Uh,
I'm happy because you are testing me and you are
yeah.
rectifying me. So no problem.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Please
no.
don't
Audience,
repeat.
audience might think that yeah, what type of silly questions Mr. Arif asking to this madam. So I am telling them that this is just to exaggerate the conversation. I'm asking
Mhm.
these silly questions. I have no intention to humiliate anybody. But what happened? You know what happened? I uh, daily basis I speak to lots of anonymous people, and what they do, they just come and sit. They do not raise any question in front of me. So this is my responsibility to indulge them in a conversation. That's why I ask this type of question. How
Yes, sir.
old your daughter is?
My elder one is 6 years old and younger one is 3 years old.
I
I have
see,
two daughters.
mashallah. Mashallah. That's great. That's good. So, what are you doing now? You are a English teacher. So, what are you doing to uphold or enhance your capability and your soft skill? What have you been doing, madam?
Actually, I'm doing many more things. Nowadays, I'm not getting time, but I used to
Mhm,
do a lot of things. I used to read, used to write, and I used to listen English conversational videos only. And I have
mhm,
done spoken classes also. But nowadays, I'm not getting time. But
mhm,
uh, right now, the holidays are going. So in the
mhm,
meanwhile, I'm doing practice of English,
mhm.
and I would like to. Actually, I want to improve my English.
Absolutely,
And
absolutely.
yes,
What,
that's
what's
what.
your future plan? What's your future plan? What's your future plan?
Uh, I want to become actually a very fluent English speaker, and that's my aim. You can say.
And
Yes.
how will you be?
Uh, I'm trying to give my best, and I'm practicing. So
Okay.
uh,
Practicing
yes.
won't work, madam. Practicing won't work. I'll tell you. Lots of people they are coming on a YouTube. They are talking on a different people, chattering, sharing their skill. That's not gonna work. Okay, that's good for enhancing the. What should I say? That what do we say? That fluency. If you are
Mhm.
talking with the different people, sharing your experience, taking their experience, this is very good for your fluency. But
Mhm.
what about accuracy? What about knowledge? You need to research. Research in
Mhm.
a sense that you need to watch different videos, various type of videos, and mainly grammar. You should read grammar uh,
Mhm.
books in order to
Thank you, sir.
uphold. No problem. Let her play. Let her play. I understand. Let her play. She's a child.
It's disturbing
Yeah.
me actually.
No problem. I'm not. Then, my dear sister, what can I do for you, Miss Madam Ashwini? What can I do for you? Apart
Mhm.
from this, you ask me, do you have anything to discuss with me? Would you like to discuss with me something? Would you like to share something with me?
Yes, sir. Is it necessary to learn first grammar and before start speaking, or we can learn after also? Because I have done my diploma, I have done spoken classes. There I learned little bit grammar thing, portion also. So, what do you think? Should we go
Okay,
with first grammar, or we should start first speaking practice?
okay. Consider me a principal of your school. Consider me for a few minutes. If
Mhm.
I will offer you three. I'll give you three choice. Okay,
Mhm.
choose one. I'll give you salary 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000. 50. Which one you would choose?
Obviously, 15,000.
Then in order to take 50,000 rupees salary, you will
Mhm.
have to work hard. Don't you there is no choice. You cannot say it is necessary to learn grammar. Oh, come on. Be the best of your subject. Become the best, give your best output. And we like, most of the people think, oh, come on, that's enough. No, be extraordinary. And in order to become an extraordinary, we have to have all the knowledge of a grammar. Then only you will be a very good, accurate, and fluent and legitimate speaker. So for that you need to work hard. And if you are enough for 10,000 rupees salary, that's enough for you. No need to do hard work. Enjoy your day, play with your children, and fulfill all the requirement that requires in the family. No need to do hard work. So I am not that type of person. I believe in doing hard work, and I am the best. I consider myself I am the best, and I will keep on doing best in my life in order to get the 15,000 salary. You
Yes,
know?
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
I
madam. This
agree.
is yeah, you got my, I hope you got my point. So in
Yes.
order to get higher package, higher salary, then you need to work hard.
Yes,
Okay, you
definitely.
must have, yeah. I
I
hope you
completely agree
understood.
with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then, my dear madam, my dear sister, I think it's
Mhm.
time to move on. You allow me to leave. We'll see you next time. I'll give you my word that if you required any help regarding grammar, you can text me. I'll try my best to help you out anytime you want.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay? May I leave?
Yes, yes, sir.
This
Okay.
this conversation is recorded. Can I share with my audience so they could learn
Yes,
something from
sure,
you and
definitely.
from us?
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
love to
God
watch
bless
it
you.
on YouTube also. And thank you
Thank you.
so much for giving me your precious time. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Take care. Take care. Bye.